Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the third part of the chapter Money and Credit. In the previous part, we have discussed about money as a medium of exchange, functions of Reserve Bank of India, demand deposit, and check. In this part, we are going to discuss about the loan activities of bank, credit, and terms of credit. The money deposits by the people in the bank is called demand deposit. Bank keeps 15% of deposits as cash to arrange for daily withdrawal by depositors. According to the instruction of Reserve Bank of India, every bank must keep 15% out of total demand deposit as cash. That is called cash reserve ratio. 85% of the total demand deposit is the major proportion that is used by bank to give loan to the people. The depositors of the bank are allowed to withdraw bank deposits on demand. That's why it is called demand deposit, and gain interest on the deposits. On the other hand, the borrowers could loan to the bank along with the interest. The interest charged on loans, that is more than the interest paid on deposits. Difference between interest charged on loans and interest paid on deposits, that is the income and profit of the bank. Now let us discuss credit or loan. Credit is a contractual agreement in which a borrower receives something of value now and agrees to repay the lenders at some date in the future, generally with interest. Transaction. Transaction is an agreement and communication between a buyer and a seller to exchange an assets for payment. As we have seen, credit refers to an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money, goods, or services in return for the promise of future payment. Why people take loan? Some of the most common reasons for getting loan are education, home, vehicle, medical expenses, business, travel, etc. Let us discuss the two different credit situations, positive and negative. First, we will take the positive aspect of the loan. A manufacturer obtains credit to meet the working capital needs of production. The credit helps him to meet the ongoing expenses of production, complete production on time, and thereby increase his earnings. Credit therefore plays a vital and positive role in this situation. Now, negative aspect of the loan. Farmers usually take crop loan at the beginning of the season and repay the loan after harvest. Crop production involves considerable cost on seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, water, electricity, repair of equipments, etc. Repayment of the loan is crucial, depend on the income from farming. Due to the crop fail, credit pushes the person into a debt trap. Now we will discuss terms of credit. Credit terms or terms of credit is the agreement between a seller and buyer that lists the timing and amount of payment the buyer will make in the future. Interest rate, collateral, the documentation required, duration of loan, and the mode of repayment together comprise what is called the terms of credit. What is collateral? Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposit with banks, and uses this as guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. If the borrowers fail to repay the loan, the lender has a right to sell the asset and collateral to obtain payment. Collateral is just like a security. The borrower has to offer some security against the loan. The borrower often has to submit certain documents to avail a loan, like identity proof, residence proof, employment certificate, income certificate, etc. A loan is given for a fixed duration or the particular time, that is called the duration of loan.